really do need to take responsibility for their own food choices, and that includes packing their own lunchbox. Their energy needs will vary, but they will increase as they are growing and if they have sporting commitments and are fairly active. So make sure that you have that variety from each food group, but also making sure that there is enough of those healthy foods available. There may be a couple of pieces of fruit in there. Some children may need 2 sandwiches. Also be sure to include some dairy foods, which are a good source of protein, and some vegetables as well for their vitamins. Good things for teenagers include wraps, rolls, choose the whole grain varieties, dips such as hummus, healthier cereals, dairy foods, and fruits and vegetables.